How to use scoring rules in Zoho CRM. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. Make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Now, in order to use scoring rules, here in this home screen at the bottom left, you can see the settings icon. Tap on this. Now on the left hand side, you can see different setting menus. At the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on this and search for scoring rules and select this option. Now you can create a new scoring rule from here. Tap on this new scoring rule button. Provide the name. You can select the module, select the layout, and provide the description for your scoring rule. Once you are done, you can tap on the save button. Now that your scoring rules has been created, you can add further channels, you can add further criterias, and if you want to add more score fields, you can tap on this yes proceed option and you can configure further options over here. So that's how you can easily use scoring rules in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.